Und damit herzlich willkommen zu einem neuen Video hier auf meinem Kanal. Wir spielen heute das Spiel Low Budget Repairs, beziehungsweise die Demo davon. Ähm, Prinzipiell besteht das Spiel einfach nur daraus, wie ich es mitbekommen habe, dass wir ein polnischer Handwerker sind, der Sachen repariert und das so günstig oder sagen wir mal so billig wie möglich. Ich würde sagen, wir starten direkt rein. Ich weiß nicht, was mich erwartet. Aber ich bin definitiv gespannt.
Dear Marchek, I know we have not seen each other for so long, and you probably don't even remember your old Aunt Helena, all the way from America. But I'm sure you will fall in love with the fresh air and all this Warsaw culture, just like I did when I was young.
Yeah, I think I will.
You must get used to it, because I decided to gift you my Warsaw residence. I know for you this can be a big surprise, but you were always my most beloved nephew.
Who filled stop? Get off.
You will find it no problem. When you step off the bus, take the first road to the left.
Gut, alles klar. Dann sind wir in unserem kleinen Dörfchen. Was geht ab? Nicht sehr gesprächig. Okay. So, wo ist denn diese
Maybe it was
Residenz?
right. Valera, I have not visited this dump in ages. You know what? You better ask Barbara, my very good friend. I used to go to her for a glass of tea. She will help you.
Good morning, Miss Barbera.
Moaning? Well, young man, straight to business, are we? I won't say no, but aren't I a bit too old for you?
Es hat keiner gesagt.
What? No! I said good morning, Miss Barbera.
No, I'm Barbara.
Sweet Jesus, this is going to take a while. Listen, I'm looking for number 101.
Sweetheart, I don't have that kind of money. My pension is a mere 300 zloty, barely enough for potatoes and cigarettes.
No, the house number 101.
Uh-oh, easy now. I'm not that ancient. Only 70 springs young. You should have seen me at your age.
Ma'am, the house number 101.
Ah, you should have said. You're going to Helena's. Straight down the road, then left. Can't miss it. How is Helena, anyway?
She's fine. Goodbye.
She's doing time? Oh, my. So that's what she meant when she said she was away in the States.
My God.
Gut, alles klar. Das hat ein bisschen Anlauf gebraucht jetzt. Ah, da ist die Hütte, okay.
No, I told you, go to the right. And to make it easier for you, I am attaching a picture
Whoa, Alara.
of the neighbor's house, mine, across the street.
Oh.
Right. Thanks, Auntie. Wonder if the whole thing collapses the second I touch the door.
Okay. Räume der Weg zur Eingangstür frei. Verschiebe das Fahrrad und Tisch die Kartons. Okay, aufheben. Nee, hä? Ah. Weg damit. Weg damit. Weg damit. Kann ich Sachen auch werfen? Ja. Piu. Gut, hat mir mehr erhofft. Egal.
Oh man, it's even worse on the inside. Didn't think that was
Yes.
even possible. And it sounds like the place is already occupied.
Zach, you know I love you like a brother, but if you don't tell me right now who lifted my bottle yesterday, I'll fuck you up like a teetotaler fucks up a party. Did you get it? Who? I told you already. Like Valenza. I get up in the night, dark as hell, and there he is, bottle in hand, looks me dead in the eye and says, I'll do to it what I did to communism.
And what did he do?
He finished it. Damn, that actually checks out.
Gentlemen, this isn't funny or sensible. And what exactly are you doing in my house?
Your house. We've been parked here 5 years. Called it.
That's right. Either you clear off, or drunken Master Rishek here will kick your ass.
I'll take my chances.
Oh, darf ich jetzt jemanden verprügeln? Mache ich das? Beleidigen werden.
Fuck you!
Oh.
Hilera. Now I'm sinking to their level. Better find a way to smoke these two out of here.
Was hebe den Stuhl auf? Okay.
Oh, Karwa, you hit the vaccine lump.
Brauchst du auch einen Stuhl?
Retreat, Kurwa.
The easy part's done. Now I should clean up before this. Fragrance attracts more unwanted guests. I wonder where the trash can is.
Finde den Mülleimer in der Küche und hebe ihn auf. Der da? Nee. So? Nee.
Oh, there's trash bags. Even better.
Ich wollte den Eimer haben. Nicht den ganzen Schrank. Nein! Dort. Okay. Müll aufräumen. Okay. Nochmal nicht. Ah, okay, ich verstehe. Zurück, zurück, zurück.
There was a dumpster out by the gate, I think. I'll throw this bag in there.
Bringe den Müllsack zum Mülleimer vor dem Haus. Das ist ein Mülleimer.
Time to check the other rooms. Somehow throwing out the garbage made the place look even more depressing. It's begging for renovation, and it won't be cheap. I need work.
P.S. If you need any kind of job, go to my good friend, Mr. Izbishik. That one is a real craftsman. He could unclog a pipe like nobody else.
I saw a payphone outside. I could use it if I manage to scrape up some change around the house.
Ich suche nach etwas Kleingeld weg. Schauen wir mal. Beim Kissen. Sag ein bisschen Kleingeld, okay. In der Schublade ist ein bisschen Kleingeld.
This won't pay for a long chat. I hope it's enough.
Gut, dann rufen wir den guten Kerl an, der Rohre frei macht. Hoppa.
Hello?
Good morning. Is this Mr. Zbizek?
Yeah, who's talking?
Maciek Patala. I'm Helena Naverin's
Lena?
nephew.
How's she doing? Or is she doing time?
No, she's in the U.S. Listen, I'm after some work. Wanna make a little
Lucky
money.
for you, kid, I'm actually opening up recruitment for an assistant. Meet me at the client's place, 32 Pine Street, apartment 12. You can show me what you can do.
That was quick. Well, on my way then.
Okay, alles klar. Dann zeig mal den guten Herr mal, was wir so drauf haben, ne? Das sieht doch alles ganz gut aus. Oh.
Come on, Helena. You like this.
Hello? Mr. Zbizek?
Mister, why mister? We are friends, no need to be so official.
Ugh. Maybe I should reconsider this career path. The man's out of it. Reeks of vodka, too.
Vodka? Where's vodka? And who are you?
I come for work. We spoke on the phone.
Yes, yeah, right. I was waiting for you. Take this paint and work on the wall. I must finish something.
Okay. Insel, die Frage. Hoppa. Achso, okay, alles klar. Streichen wir mal die Wand. Leider gab es keinen größeren Pinsel. Aber wir kriegen das hin. Denke ich. Hoffe ich. So. Hälfte haben wir auf jeden Fall geschafft, glaube ich.
You really made a mess, kid. Were you painting the wall or the floor, huh?
If you laid some foil first, there would be no mess.
Why foil? You are cheaper, boy. Grab a rag and clean this up. I think there's one on the kitchen counter.
Achso. Gut, dann holen wir uns mal einen Lappen.
Good enough.
So.
Don't lay it on the floor anyway. I have a special mission for you now. Take these keys, go to my car, and bring one important thing.
Gut, mal gucken, was er im Kofferraum hat.
Kurwa, of course. No wonder.
Okay.
What took you so long? I hope it's all there. Otherwise, I'll deduct it from your pay.
But you're not paying me yet.
Oh, Mr. Entitled here. Hope you're as eager to work as you are to earn. Come here. I will teach you a little electrical engineering. Do you have permission?
Nope.
No worry, me too. But I have something better. A good business head. Anyway, this is not rocket science. There. Now only some insulation tape and this is good to go.
Jesus, Kurwa. Mr. Zbyszek, are you alive? Yep, that's my job gone in a flash. Still lasted longer than the last one.
Huch.
Kurwa? What?
There. Job done. Time for a reward. The bottle, kid.
What the Kurwa fuck?
Okay.
What the hell? No punch. This water or what?
This may sound pessimistic, but I think you're dead. You got electrocuted bad.
Not good. I don't know how long I could go without booze. But it's not all bad. My back doesn't hurt anymore. And my wife will stop complaining I am drunk all the time. Okay, kid. No need to stress about a little misadventure. Call the owner and tell him job is done, time to pay.
Okay. Passt. Dann haben wir auf jeden Fall unseren Chef verloren. Aber Geld gemacht.
Oh, did some plumbing for Helena here once. Lucky I took the leftover paint from the client. Cover it up, will you? It hurts my eyes.
Er macht's ordentlich und ich muss es aufräumen oder was? Also. Hoppa. Na gut, dann streichen wir mal eben die Wand. Und dann schauen wir mal, wie es weitergeht. Zack, zack, zack.
Now that I like. Condition, good as new. Better even. This paint won't peel off in a year.
The color stands out a little.
What are you, interior decorator? Stop fussing and pick up the place. Right now, you're in the red, and you haven't even earned back the paint you have used.
So what now? Fill these holes?
Yes, but not here. Lesson 1. You practice new skills at the client's place. And I have just the perfect little job lined up for this. Let's go.
Okay.
Oh.
Zack.
There it goes. Note to self, no leaning. Not like your Aunt Helena. She never leaned away from anything, if you know what I mean. Get it, kid? Alright, fun's over. Back to work.
Alles klar. Dann fahren wir mal zum Kunden. So.
What do we have here? Ah, yes. Out with the old sofa. Come on, grab it. Wait, kid. You're not hauling that down the stairs. Out the window with it.
Okay. Wie kriege ich das jetzt hoch? Das passt ja gar nicht. Oh shit. Ich glaube, wir haben es fast. Ja, ein bisschen rüber, so. Und zack. Kick.
There. Out of sight, out of mind. Now, fill those holes in the walls and you're done.
But fill them with what? I'm lost.
Oh, kid, must I teach you everything? The plaster is right there. Dip and go. Dip and go.
Damit oder was? Gut, dann nehmen wir mal die Spachtel. So. Okay. Jetzt Spachtelmasse drauf. Noch mehr. Noch mehr. So. Soll ich die Löcher auch machen oder nur da, wo das Ausrufezeichen ist? Ich mache einfach mal alle.
Good, good. Good enough. Now paint it.
Alles klar, Chef. So. Ich würde den Eimer auch mit rübernehmen, aber ich bin jetzt zu faul, um ehrlich zu sein. Gut, ich setze mal, hier muss man auch drüber malen.
Stop fussing with it. That's enough. Let's get going.
Da machen wir es sogar noch sauber, einfach das Prinzip. Gut.
Kid, aren't you forgetting something?
What? Did I miss a spot?
Dumber than a left boot. Remember what you didn't grab from last job?
Oh, the paint. On it.
Yes! And bring that bucket of plaster too. We need it more than the client does.
Okay, easy. Das heißt, wir haben einmal Farbe und einmal Spachtelmasse bekommen. Und 130 Dacken. Was du denn jetzt?
Well, finally.
Oh.
You're the handyman from the Garden Street job?
What's this about?
It's about some idiot dropping a sofa bed on my balcony.
Oh, look, madam. I really didn't want...
And my upstairs neighbor, a good man that he is, told me you did this renovation and everything turned out great. Very happy he was.
Mistake! Oh, kids. What did I tell you? Once you do it too well...
Quiet!
What?
Nothing. So, you would like the balcony fixed, madam?
If you could, when are you free?
I don't know.
I'll pay extra.
I'll be there today.
Well. Maybe that is hope for you yet.
Okay, alles klar. Arbeitsbeschaffungsmaßnahmen nennt man sowas. Hey. Das Sofa kommt mir irgendwie bekannt vor.
That's how you'll land a job. A little charm, a little luck.
So.
I'm not sure I have either of those things.
Okay, third time's the charm. And remember, kid, we're on the second floor. Push!
Yeah. Interesting.
Now I teach you tiling.
Opa.
First, you prepare the surface. The sofa did have to work for you, but few tiles are still standing. Grab the hammer and smash them.
Was nimmt den Hammer? Okay.
Now, tile glue.
So, das Geräusch.
Back and follow me. We'll find something to mix it in.
Gut.
Boo! Gotcha!
Oh, Leute.
Lesson 2. Real master never brings everything. You always forget something, then demand it from the client. And when the client is not here, we help ourselves. This bowl is perfect. Put the glue in here, but not too much. You'll see why in a second.
Okay. Wie willst du dich anmachen?
Good.
Oh,
Now, water. It's free from the tap, so don't be shy with it.
Was soll ich mal sagen? Dem hier oder was? Zur Schüssel aufheben, okay.
That's enough, kiddo. Lesson 3. What does a real master glue tiles with?
With tile glue?
Wrong! With hope and good wishes. The tile must hold until the client pays, and not a moment, not a second longer. This balance of water and glue, perfect. Understand? Good. Take the mix and hurry to the balcony, kid.
Okay.
Now then, set down the bowl, grab the trowel, and spread it, but sparingly. Glue tiles nice and neat, but keep the grout lines wide. A nail's width. A toe width. A gorilla's toenail. The fewer tiles we use, the better. Every tile saved goes to the next job. Or to your own home.
And the crosses? The little spacer crosses? To keep it even?
That I do not know. I am an atheist. Now, glue! We do not have all day.
Okay. So, eine Fliese da. Eine da. 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 So, da unten. Da oben. Machst du das so? Ah, okay, super. Gut, das war unsere zweite richtige Auftrag. Was haben wir jetzt?
The Unity Housing Cooperative hereby invites you to participate in the annual Super Handyman 95 contest. Applications now open.
Janusz Kielbasa.
Sorry, what?
For 20 years now, Screw organizes this prestigious Super Handyman contest. It is the biggest event of the season. All the top masters come and take part. Every year I enter, and every year I am this close to winning. But there is always Janusz, the Screw president, that thief.
Hold on. Screw?
Society of Construction and Repairs Engineers and Workers. And who runs Screw? That goddamn kurwa miserable son of a whore, Janusz. I hate that bastard. He organizes it, he enters it, he wins it every single competition. Where is the police, I ask you? Where? But those days are over. Now I have you. You are young, not too bright, granted, but no matter the thinking, you leave to me. Janusz, get ready, you kush. Meshek, this year you fuck this Kalbasa for me, and you fuck Kalbasa hard.
That definitely wasn't in the job description.
Ja gut, macht doch nichts, oder? Okay, das war's auch schon wieder mit der Demo.
Wonder what's on TV.
Okay, alles klar. Ja, was soll man großartig dazu sagen? Ich bin auf jeden Fall gespannt auf die Vollversion, die ja auch jetzt im August, glaube ich, rauskommen soll, wenn es mich nicht täuscht. Ich glaube 3. August oder sowas, wenn ich richtig gelesen habe. Oder das richtig in Erinnerung habe. Ja. Mich würde mal eure Meinung zu der Demo interessieren, beziehungsweise was ihr da von der Vollversion erwartet. Ja. Ich sage auf jeden Fall vielen lieben Dank fürs Zuschauen. Ich hoffe, euch hat das Video gefallen. Ich würde mich logischerweise über ein Like, über ein Abo natürlich auch sehr, sehr, sehr freuen. Und ja, vielen lieben Dank fürs Zuschauen und bis zum nächsten Mal. Ciao.